Installation of Ultra Slim Automatic Swing Gate Gate-GS Slim. Before gate installation, make sure that you have all the necessary tools. You can find a detailed list in the manual on our website. Check integrity of package before unpacking. If it is damaged, then you have to note the damage and inform us. Wear work gloves and safety boots during gate unpacking and installation. Please observe all safety precautions during installation. Use a drill to unpack the wooden box. After removing the walls of the box, remove the gate from fixing. Completeness of set has to be checked in accordance with the product technical passport. Standard scope of delivery includes gate assembled, wired control panel, anchor bolts. Remove the post for reader and installation base from the delivery platform using a drill. Hold the post while removing. Remove the gate and installation base from the delivery platform using a drill. Hold the gate while removing it from the platform. After that, determine the location for gate and post. To do this, place installation base and measure the distance with a tape measure. Mark the holes. The lateral holes are used for fixation of anchor bolts, and the central hole is for the cable. If cables have to be laid beneath floor surface, prepare a cable duct in the floor, leading to the place where the cables have to enter the gate post. Drill holes in accordance with the marks. Then, fix the installation base of post for reader with bolts. For convenience of laying cable through the post, first open the top lid. Lay a cable through the post. Attach the post to the previously fixed installation base. Connect the wires to link post and gate. Next, fix the gate installation base with bolts. Unscrew the bolts that fix the outer gate housing with its inner components. After this, carefully remove the gate housing and lay the cables. Fasten the inner gate housing to the fixed mounting base. Connect the control panel. Connect the cable that links the post and gate. Connect main power cable. You can find a more detailed wiring diagram in the manual on our website, www.tiso.global. Place the outer gate housing on fixed inner post. And fix it at several points at the bottom of post. And also fix it with bolts at the top of post. After completion of all installation work, remove the protective film from post and gate. Check the gate operation using the control panel. Single passage in one direction. Free passage in one direction. You can find a more detailed wiring diagram in the manual on our website, www.tiso.global.